Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Ranger key battery. Start by locating the seam on the key fob and use a flat tool to pry the halves apart gently. Remove the old CR2032 battery and note its orientation before inserting the new one with the positive side up. Snap the case closed, test remote functions, and if problems persist, try reprogramming or consult a professional locksmith for help. Gather a small flathead screwdriver, a replacement CR2032 battery, and a soft cloth to protect the fob surface. Remove the cover carefully, avoid bending the metal contacts, and note battery orientation before removal. Hold parts securely with the cloth to prevent slips, press buttons to verify range, and clean contacts gently if needed. If the battery shows corrosion, replace contacts or seek a locksmith for safe repair and peace of mind. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tips and quick tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated anywhere, whether you're changing a key battery or on a long drive. It's durable, spills less, and fits cup holders nicely. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Open the fob gently at the seam using the flat tool, working around the case until it separates cleanly. Remove the old CR2032 and observe which side is up so you can insert the new one correctly. Reassemble the case by aligning clips and snapping it shut, then test lock and unlock from a few feet away. If the remote still fails, try replacing the battery again or consult a locksmith to check the contacts and programming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.